Hello crafty people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the first day of my new collaboration I got going on in my Facebook group, Crafty Manipulators. It's called the Craft Kit Collaboration, where every week we'll be posting a different kit for a different item. Okay, so I have some other ladies that's going to be joining me with this, so you know I'm going to be linking their videos down below, and so you can check them out every Saturday, what they're going to be making. And then at the end of the collaboration, we'll be having swap partners. We're going to be sending one of our kits to a partner. Okay, so the first week that we had to do was for flowers. Now the thing is that with each kit, we had to make one of the items that we're making a kit for, you know, to give an example of what it should look like. I mean, they can do something different if they like, but we had to make one item, and then we had to include everything in that kit, in the kit, that required to make that one item. So I did flowers. So I mean, so this week is flowers. So I did this flower, and I used my Fisker's punch. I used I think I have the small one and the large one, and the requirements had to be had to be at least 2 petals. I got 4. I can't remember the requirements on, but anyway, but this is my flower. So that's what it looked like. What it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out because I didn't mount it to the paper that's, you know, this paper. And I made this paper, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got some sheen to it. I'm trying to try my hand at making my own paper, direct designer paper. So yeah, so that's a piece of what I cut off. I'm making 8 by. I'm starting with 8 sheets. So that's what that is. And then here's my flower. Okay, so I punched 4 petals, 2 large, 2 small. I used my alcohol ink, distress inks rather, peeled paint, and I used my finger dauber, and I colored all the middle, you know, I put the color in the middle of each petal, and then I used one of my tools to form the petals so they curve, and then I stuck them all together, and we had to have a leaf to it. And on the back I punched that too because I don't want to look ugly on the back, if you can see that. And then I put a glue dot on there. I didn't peel it off, so that means that they can use this flower too as well when I send it to my partner. Okay, so that's my flower. I'm not done packaging because we have to package them up nicely, but I'm not done with the packaging. So this is what I've got so far. And I did stamp on the back my logo. I gotta put that in there right. But I made it, and then here's my kit. Okay, so we have to put a kit together to make at least 6 flowers. So these are all my petals, large and small, that I cut and colored the center of them. And then I also cut die cut the leaves that go to it. Now these are some delicate, that was a delicate die, so I did good and not ripping any, had to recut you know, recut any, but they were delicate, you know, to get out of the die. But yeah, I only had to cut 6 of them, so that's that part. And then I put 6 of the little gems that go in the middle, and I also punched the little part on the back of the flower, and I also put in 6 glue dots so they can mount them on something. And so that is my kit for the first week. Again, you guys can check out the other ladies that's in this collaboration. Again, their link is down below to their channels. So y'all keep an eye out, or you know, stay tuned for next week. We're gonna be doing this for 5 weeks, so we're gonna have 4 more weeks of the collaboration. We'll be making different things and putting together in a kit. So thanks for watching, guys, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.